Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sithelo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So Sithelo Showzi's sister Zishozi revealed that she is getting a divorce, or rather has already gotten divorced to her husband after she shared her divorce cake, which was written divorce AF, you guys, on her Instagram today. And it seems like she is truly happy to cut off all her ties from this man, you guys. Sithelo's sister Z shared this message, which says, she wrote this actually on Twitter. She wrote, "Finding out your partner has an entire life outside your marriage will never not surprise me." Which I and others, including you, probably can conclude that she was never happy in that marriage, which was probably toxic, you guys. People were dragging Z, saying what was she doing with an older guy in the first place, and that he is quick to marry girls, you guys. And allegedly she took him or stole him from a friend of hers. This is all alleged and according to the comments on Twitter. And of course, you guys, people were dragging her sister Sithelo into the whole situation, saying that she is the one who introduced her into snatching other women's men, and that it is Z and Sithelo's karma finally catching up on them, you guys. Now do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.